LG has announced the G7 One, its first Android One phone. It is a high-end device according to the standards of Google's Android program, which runs on a Snapdragon 835 processor with a super bright 1440p 6.1-inch screen and a Boombox speaker taken from the G7 ThinQ, plus the headphone jack with 4 DACs found on all the company's recent flagships. However, the G7 One does not have a dual-camera configuration, only a 16-megapixel f/1.6 shutter on the back and an 8-megapixel selfie camera f/1.9 on the front. It is also limited to 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, although it has a microSD card slot. The battery is 3000 mAh. It is not clear if the haptics are good. LG says the G7 One will be offered at an exceptional price, but we still do not know what that means. LG is also announcing the G7 Fit, a similar but presumably cheaper device with a Snapdragon 821 processor, a slower camera and LG's own software on Android 8.1 Oreo. LG says it is designed to close the gap between the mid-range and mainstream models.